Hi, Will Robertson here with Reflections Video Productions, and we're on board this beautiful ship for an evening of sunset cruising and an RBN mixer. If you don't know about RBN, this is something you want to check out. We do this once a year and it's nothing but fun. We'll see you on board.
Do you have control over the horn too?
Yeah. Oh, blow that thing, girl.
The RBN boat cruise. It's a beautiful evening, lots of great networking going on. You should be here.